everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking you through my favourites for the month. I just thought I haven't done a favourites I don't think in a couple of months or so, and there's a few things I've been really loving and I just wanted to share them with you. There's not a huge amount of things here because I only want to share with you the things that I'm really loving. So yeah, if you want to see what I've been loving lately and how I keep my teeth white, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's start with some lip products I've been loving. I'm wearing it now. It's a lip combination that I've been wearing for a few weeks, probably months now, and it's ever since I got these lip liners. I got a lip liner set from Buxom, and these lip liners are so gorgeous. When I first tried them, I thought, oh yeah, they're really lovely. I thought they would like kind of come off quite easily and quite quickly when I wore them on their own. But when I've been using them with a lip gloss, they look amazing. And this shade here, Hush Hush, is just so gorgeous. It's a little bit like Velvet Teddy from MAC, but slightly deeper and a little bit more pink toned. I just love it so much. I've been wearing it all the time. On one end you get like a little lip brush, which I don't actually use. And then the other end you get like a chunky lip liner, and I've kind of run it all down now. I need to sharpen it. But yeah, this is the shade Hush Hush and I absolutely love it. So gorgeous, and the perfect combination with this lip gloss from Pixi. So this lip gloss is a collaboration with Chloe Morello, and Pixi often do collaborations with influencers, and this is one obviously with Chloe Morello, and it's a lip icing in the shade Cake. So it's got kind of the sparkle in there. It's very glittery, but what I love is that the glitter doesn't irritate my lips. Now I find that glitter products can often irritate my skin. Like I just can't wear them. I find it itches my skin, especially lip products that have glitter in them. It just makes my lips really itchy and tingly. I don't get that at all with this lip gloss. It's very smooth. It doesn't feel like sticky in any way, and it's just all of the glitter particles. I guess it's more of a shimmer, very fine glittery particles, and it just looks amazing. It's perfect kind of lip topper. I love it so much, and I would highly recommend it if you just want to add a bit of gloss to your look. I just find that with the summer coming up, I want to wear a lip gloss. I just find it makes me look a little bit more put together, and I just love it so much. It's so nice, and I would highly recommend it. The next beauty favourite is a fake tan, because you guys know I love wearing fake tan. I wear it every week. I probably apply fake tan, I don't know, 2 to 3 times a week maybe. At the weekend I'll go for a really dark tan if I'm going somewhere, but not always. And then during the week I'll wear this one from Saint-Tropez. So I've used nearly, well, a third of the bottle I would say. And this is the Saint-Tropez Self Tan Purity. This is a bronzing water mousse. So it's clear when you apply it and it comes out like a mousse. So it's like white. And when you apply it, it's very easy to apply, and some people might be put off because you haven't got a guide colour. But don't let that put you off, because it's so easy to apply, and you can see where you've applied it because you'll feel it. It doesn't feel sticky, but it takes a few minutes to obviously dry down, and you can also wear it when you go out, so you haven't got to wash it off before you go anywhere, which is amazing because it's clear, so it will just develop over time. There's like a scent to it as well, so it's not like a fake tan smell. It's kind of got like a florally kind of scent to it. It does smell a bit like fake tan towards the end of the day, I'm not gonna lie. You do get a little bit of that scent, but it is clear, so you know you haven't got to worry about streaks or anything like that. So yeah, I would highly recommend this for anyone that's from, you know, a new tanner, so anyone that hasn't used fake tan before. I would recommend this because the colour is very natural. But even for those that just love fake tan anyway, this is a perfect weekly tan, like to wear during the week, because it gives you enough colour. It's not like a gradual tanner where it's, you know, it's quite very light and pale, where, you know, you really have to build it up over a few days. Once you apply this, you've got a few days before you would need to apply it again, if you know what I mean. So I would say that I would probably reapply it after about 3 or 4 days after I've used this. But honestly, it's so good. I haven't noticed that it stains my clothes at all. I've had a few questions saying, does it stain your bed sheets or your clothes? I haven't noticed that it does, but I do notice it with the dark tan that I've got of this version. So they've got an extra dark tan now, which is their darkest tan they've ever brought out, and that is super dark. If you go onto my Instagram, onto the beauty highlights, you'll see me applying it, and you'll see how dark it goes. So if you want a very dark tan, then go for the extra dark. But if you just want a weekly kind of tan, or if you're new to tanning, then I would highly recommend this one. It's really good. You can get it from Boots, I think, but I'll try and leave a link down below for you if you want to buy it yourself. The next beauty thing is a bit of a random one, but it's a deodorant, and I saw this on Hannah Gale's Instagram. She recommended it the other day, and I bought it, and oh my god, it's such a life changer. Honestly guys, I just can't, right? It might be a bit TMI, but I was using my usual like Shore spray deodorant, and I just didn't feel like it was working. I was like, you know, getting to midday and I was thinking, I'm not feeling that fresh. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's just not working. So I was thinking, what shall I buy? Like, I need to get a deodorant. I just didn't know what one to get. You can get like roll-on deodorants or whatever. I was thinking, do I go for like a natural one or what? Anyway, I saw Hannah Girl mention this on her Instagram. I always will go by one of her recommendations because I trust her, and I bought this and oh my God, this is a life changer. Honestly, if you need a new deodorant or if you're looking for something that's gonna look after you all day, this is what you need to get, honestly, because I get very hot, I sweat very quickly, very easily, but with this, I'm not sweating. Honestly, I felt under my arms like during the day. I was thinking, I am like completely dry, I'm not sweating at all. And with the Sure one, it was just not working. I was like, oh my God, this is not nice, you know? But with this, it's so good. And what I was surprised with is that it's a cream deodorant. So you literally move the little bottom bit here down here for like 2 clicks, and then the cream will come out of the top and you just put that under your arms. The first couple of times I was thinking, this is a bit weird, but once I used it and it worked, I was like, wow, this is like unbelievable. Like I could feel under my arms, it was like completely dry. Like even after I'd been walking around like sweating, usually I would be sweating by that point, it was completely dry, and I was just thinking to myself, wow, it was blowing my mind every day I tried it. So I've been using this for about 3 weeks now, and it is unbelievable. So if you need a new deodorant, I would highly, 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 highly recommend this one. It's so good. This is a Sure Maximum Protection Sport Strength Antiperspirant, and it's honestly so good. Love it. Okay, so we're gonna move on to my teeth. I get loads and loads of questions about my teeth. If you don't know, I had braces about 1.5 years ago. I think I had them taken off, and it was the best thing I did. So good. If you want to see my brace journey and you want to see what my teeth looked like before, then I'll leave a link down below to like my braces playlist, because I uploaded videos during the process, and I can't believe how much my teeth have changed. Like if I watch old videos, they stuck out loads more than I remembered. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with my teeth now. I had them whitened after I had my braces because I had retainers, and from the dentist you get like whitening kit. So I did that and that kept my teeth really white, but now I've obviously run out of that, so I'm using a different product, and it's these Crest white strips. Now everyone goes on about these. If you've got sensitive teeth, then I probably wouldn't recommend them because they do make your teeth sensitive. Although I don't use the whole set all in one go, so it doesn't make my teeth sensitive. I'll only use like 2 or 3 strips like over a few days to just brighten up my smile again, and they're amazing. So I bought this from, I think I bought these from a website called Cali White. If I can link it, I'll link it down below for you, because they obviously ship to the UK. I think they're the only UK stockists, and I did think to myself, is it going to be like a genuine, are these going to be genuine strips, are they going to work? And they do work, and I have bought them before from America, and they felt the same and they did the same job. So yeah, I would highly recommend these if you want to brighten up your smile. But if you do have sensitive teeth, then be aware that they will make your teeth sensitive. So yeah, I use the Crest 3D White, no slip white strips dental whitening kit. So yeah, these are in the Glamorous White set, but you can get loads of different sets. But yeah, love those so much. They're meant to last for like 6 months and beyond. So yeah, I won't have to do this again. But if I'm going to like an event or something, then I would like to, you know, use a couple of strips before that. But yeah, apart from that, they do last a long time. So the final things that I'm going to talk about are some cleaning products. So if you're not interested in cleaning products, then sorry, but these are my 2 favourite cleaning products of the month. This is a Dettol all-in-one disinfectant spray, and I've got the scent Crisp Linen, and oh my gosh, this, guys, is so good. It smells beautiful. It's just got that clean, fresh linen smell, I guess. I use it in my bathrooms or when I'm cleaning like the sink area or the toilet area, and I'll spray it onto the toilet and sink area. And that's the main place I like to use it. I also use it on my mattress. You can use it on anything. You can use it on hard and soft surfaces, and it kills 99.9% of bacteria. So I love to use this in the bathrooms. So good. If you've got any special uses for this, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I love it so much. Really, really good. And then I've also been loving this Method spray. This is a limited edition, like the rose gold kind of set. And this is in the scent Pink Pomelo. And oh my gosh, this smells beautiful. It's got like a florally kind of scent. It smells lovely, and I just love it so much. So yeah, if you want a new Method spray to try out, try this one out. It is limited edition, so get it while you can. But yeah, those are my favourites for the month. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know your favourites down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Bye, guys.